Hi everyone, welcome back to Brother English. In the last episode, we practiced English at a coffee shop.
Today, we're moving to another very common place, the workplace.
Don't worry, this lesson is for simple office talk, not difficult business English.
First, let's listen to a short conversation at work. Just listen and feel the situation. Good morning, Jamie.
Good morning, Alex. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well. Are you busy today?
A little, but not too much.
Okay, that was a simple office conversation. Now, let's understand why these sentences are important. At work, we often start with greetings. For example, good morning.
Then we ask polite questions like, how are you? Or, are you busy today?
These sentences are friendly and professional.
Now, let's practice saying these sentences slowly together. Good morning.
How are you?
Are you busy today?
Great. Now let's listen to another short example with a different situation. Hi, Alex. Do you have a minute?
Sure. What's up?
Can you help me with this report?
Of course. Did you notice the tone? It's polite, calm, and respectful. Now let's look at one useful grammar pattern. Can you help me? Is a polite way to ask for help at work.
You can change the ending. Can you help me with this email? Can you help me with this file? Now it's your turn. Let's do a short speaking challenge. Imagine you are talking to your colleague. Say this sentence out loud. Can you help me with this task?
Nice job. That sounds professional.
Before we finish, let's review today's lesson. Today, you learned simple and polite English for the workplace.
Greetings, small talk, and asking for help.
In the next episode, we'll talk about English at the airport.
See you in the next episode of Brother English.